Martin, and I'm the creator of PreAlgebraTeachers.com. I help middle school math teachers stress less and enjoy teaching with engaging lesson plans so that we can still have a life outside the classroom. Today, I am coming to you to share with you how I teach solving one-step equations by multiplying and dividing. And if you want to grab this free puzzle sheet that I'm going to share with you in just a second, use the link above or below, depending on how you're watching this video. You can grab this free resource using the link above or below. So let's get to it. So I like to teach one-step equations by multiplying and dividing. So I have written here a problem, 3x equals 18. So we have really 3 times x equals 18. So I always tell my students to t-chart. And what I mean by this is you're going to draw an upside down T. So you're going to draw a line through your equal sign and then make the bottom of your T, right? So you can see it kind of looks like a T. And then now we've separated both sides. And so I tell them, okay, so how do we get our x by itself? Well, we're gonna do the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So now I have x equals 6. Okay, so same thing goes. My markers are a little crazy and the board is a little dirty, so I apologize for that. So if we had a multiplication problem, or actually a division problem, so if we'll have x divided by 2 equals negative 10. So I tell my students, okay, we're gonna make our t-chart, our upside down T. So you're gonna draw a line through your equal sign and then make the bottom of your T. And then now we have, so what kind of problem is this? Fraction always means division. So the inverse of division is multiplication. So that's what we're gonna do. Whatever we do to one side of the wall, we must do to the other. So now these cancel and I get x equals negative 10 times 2, which is negative 20. So that has been the easiest way for me to teach one-step equations, is by using what I call a t-chart. So again, if I had negative 2 times x equals 14, so I have my students draw their upside down T like this. So you draw a line through your equal sign and then your T. And then now we have to get our variable by itself. We have to isolate the variable, right? So what is the inverse of multiplication? We are going to now divide both sides and we get x equals negative 7. So that is the power of a t-chart. I teach this every year to my students and I remind them, okay, what's the first step here? Okay, we t-chart. So how do we get the variable by itself? Okay, so we do whatever the inverse is, right? So a great follow-up activity for one-step equations is this awesome puzzle sheet. This is all about one-step equations by multiplying and dividing. So you can see here, this is your form. And then when you download this activity, you are going to get a full form of problems. You can see here, I've already cut some of them out. So when you cut them out, they will look like this. They'll look like little pieces like this. So the puzzle pieces, so if you had this piece, negative x equals negative 5, the matching answer to this would be x equals 5, and it fits into each other like this. So when you match, so you can see the difference. One has this pointy end, and then one is just circular, and then they fit into each other. And then, so once you have the answer with the problem, then you'll glue it right on to this answer key. So this is a great hands-on activity that you can grab for yourself using the link above or below, depending on how you're watching this video. It's totally free, so go ahead and check it out, all about solving equations by multiplying and dividing. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of PreAlgebraTeachers.com. See you soon. Bye.